GM and welcome to a new video. This is the weekly abstract update. This is already week 6 of the Abstract Mainnet. As you can see, the weekly XP update is live as well. We're gonna take a look at that. Also, there is a new Flash badge and 1 or 2 updates on the portal. So let's dive right in. Let's not make this one too long. This is the official Abstract Chain X account. As always, all the links are down in the description. While you're down there, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and send the video to all of your friends. Now, small update. Many streamers have asked for this, so we added it in. You can now hide your wallet balance in the Abstract portal by hovering over the card and turning on privacy mode. Now, let's see if that really works. I'm gonna close this one, and yes, it works. You can now go into privacy mode if you're a creator. While we're here, as you can see, week 5 experience points are live. I actually got a little bit less than last week, and I went into detail about this in my last video. The Abstract team doesn't make it visible to anyone how you can actually gain experience points. I explained this several times. The multipliers help, and also if you hold enough Pengu to get a certain Pengu roll, then you get static experience points for that. But apart from that, it's not clear how to get experience points, and it varies from week to week. They set themselves, as I explained in the last video, they don't know the criteria themselves. They look at the on-chain activity at the end of the week, shortly before they distribute the experience points, and then they decide who gets experience points for which task. But we know that getting badges is definitely something that gives you experience points. The upvoting gives experience points just like that. Watching streaming if you're a creator, and also tipping might lead to experience points. But what definitely gives you experience points are the badges, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to claim the new Flash badge, which is Gacha. As you can see here, this badge is awarded to those who buy and scratch at least one card in Gacha. It roughly costs around $2 to get this badge in ETH. So be aware of that, and you actually need to have 0.005 ETH in your wallet. So I don't have enough here. What also might give you some experience points is trading in the portal, and I'm just gonna swap some Pengu for ETH, so you know how the actual process of claiming the Gacha badge looks like, even though I already have it. Let's see if that is enough. Let's swap some peanuts for this. That should be almost enough. Let's do it like that. Review trade. Now I have some on-chain activity because I traded some Pengu for ETH, and I should then have enough ETH. Yes, transaction complete. Now I go to discover, and we already have it here in Spotlight apps. If not here, we can scroll down and explore all apps. We can find it there as well. But let's go here and visit the app. You then need to log in on the website. Let me log out now, back in, so you can see the whole process. You need to approve your wallet so they know that it's actually you. Then you're logged in, and you can see here that they have different costs for those scratchers here. And to get the badge, you can use the cheapest one, which is this one here, and you can actually win something. I did this once to try it out. I won nothing, so probably I won't get anything here as well. You need to sign the transaction and be aware that you're spending around $2 in ETH for this scratcher here. So if you don't want to spend any ETH, just don't get this badge. Just be aware of this. All done. At least it's cheaper than the Gigaverse badge. Wow, that didn't work, even though I have enough on here. Let's try that again. Okay, that doesn't work, and that's not a good look on the app because I definitely have enough ETH on here. As you can see here, the balance is enough. Just to make sure, I'm just gonna swap more of the Pengu that I have, not all of it, just like this. Gotta love it when things don't work. Review and trade. That did not work as well. Now it worked. Okay, some bugs here and there. Now, let's see if it works this time. I'm not gonna top up my wallet. All right, now it worked. I bought one ticket, so apparently you need to have more than 0.005, so it really works. Now I can scratch the card. I can open it. Take some time to load. Let's see if that works. Now, ready. You can either auto scratch here or just go through this here, and you need to have an ETH symbol to actually win something. As it looks, I don't get one. Oh, I see one. I see two. I got two, so I won 0.00098382 ETH. Yeah. Nice. Exit. And how much was it? Okay, yeah, so basically I got I got back what I paid. So this is nice. At least I got back what I paid. So that's nice. Now what we can do is go to rewards, and you need to do a hard refresh if you just did this. This is Command Shift and R on a Mac, or Shift and F4 on Windows, I think. And then this one here should pop up. You can click on claim, and then you can claim the Flash Badge, and that will definitely give you some experience points. Let's see what the next week will bring. I will just play some of the games, for example, On-Chain Heroes or some of the other games, watch some streams, and then we'll see how the experience points for week 6 will turn out. At least the Gacha Badge will definitely bring me some experience points. I hope you got a lot of experience points last week. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. There's the Monet testnet series currently live on my channel. There's the third part coming up very soon. Also, I got the Kaito Yaps series and a lot of other videos coming up. For example, I just released the MetaMask update video. They now will include both Solana and Bitcoin and have a huge UI UX update, so it's worth checking that out. But that all being said, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.